sipo no uye adwuma bi a ne no e ma ye network akonya be dia ma se ye robe ko be UK Canada wakọ akọbọ modern abo adwuma gisika bebre mun komo no de ma na ye den ze Canada akọ abesua de UK obesua de utimi nya scholarship o your clinical na ska ebe ramu etibia da ma no ye de Trinity of Academy no and afi so no person koto adusua so Canada America North and South Europe no you know na ye de ramu etibia da ma footballers no so no ye boaji sports visa de ma na wonsa adwuma te so ye carpenter Tyler anampo no so no ye cleaner o ye driver banker o ye plumber na teacher akonya ne do de ma so be form number no o de o medi nkomo ne emboa emfa Rezi Romania Eli akonya ba be don tuni sa adwuma kra o ne o mo ka se be boa na wako ska kitwa bi na betwa o mo number ne 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 0531 633 0531 633 na 0205 572076 0205 572076 Kumasi apomo adoato masala chi no mo abepo jansho kaso an krantem no kaso new market na Joseph Fidelity Bank o ma ban so first from o mo bojuma kwanto mu zem de enwan Trinity of Arc o mo ne be na ye de wawram na apoama ne ma de dimpa etimi edi amomo maka no mebo mo so na mo me na memo bobo we so tentem emfama de ade ga katofo no na nke was adwuma di ne koso enya nkoso mu nkomo no Europe pa no ramo ga ka obo adwuma de mo Patrick Akoto ye twebe bi Akoto na de ane de na nam so a amatofo na ntimi ambaso nkomo zei eno abomo de etimi edejae
katofo na amanfo eni daso no amaso na asem ni titi a enya de a de be wadre nina isikasem ena nina so timeline and your sponsors for potential sponsors and person more interested no on person your organization no no person you're born around September October because no here a confirmation from their corporate offices around the world. But you're in timetable now, the only time this particular August. It's not they decided to say, look, who here say a competition, a Sunday, a car, the organization, the very essence of the top four, Nankasa really say, be prepared for Africa. Into no medium, any dreams are qualified. So, big Accra as a welfare body, you best support them. Instead of say, you have a competition. Competition or entry me Amazon.
To where Bizetia or Bomodio no achichi mu kama pa ma hu dintia entimi ambassador is kasem ne ba community no e Romanya de se ye Uromo Samate Somasua Emmanuel Adusian ene captain de momo ye twebe ne bi the preseason ne chance no se na ne me kwere momo players no komo sei no no so bomo de jai
started said they can 1 week any started for the first 2-3 days and it wasn't easy for us. But Nra and but now shy boy to me said the intensity was very high. Which means 1 week here the crown. I don't can cost rock a crown. So you are hoping say a baby preseason in there we should come out best by like your performance by cost rock.
Etiano ye command ni Emmanuel Adusian captain FC Samate Sabomodin area to yanra ni uza krat folk abomodin omode krat dia baba bazi ni na no the new technical team no omonso omudiri so omon empinfo a ya paul omonso omombra emma mejam na omonhwe na omonye adwuma na bibia enkoyi kama parentimi farmer club no ntini no owim na hwesere ne meziti omoncheze we ni first batch of appointment a omo the technical team ntini pinpa ye friendly Ren Hendik ono na ni no ya pa ne sombra na omra meye technical data entimi emfa emom goalkeeper coach no eji Asai and also Sebastian Barnes na just the former player no be head of scout and our friend here prepare friend Carlos Crew and Messi Tegokwaku orani chemo no na ne appointing sombra and head coach and farmer OKC no na just ha so mo team no na M1 na hye ended the performance pipa your friend Renende no no na uze ni aba be ram na fi Messi Tego so no no a in omo hwe ni aboanti enche minimzo be mo de na de akebia etimi eram kama so no etimi edi amamun komo no so no ya uze nei no NCC na bomode de krata bi aba ezi 2021 no mugiri se niema ba kumiri bi etimi ekoso a na jeze na enye hihye pa na niema pa na omobomode etimi da na di ere che board no ntino oso hwe na omutimi eye adwuma na ebo ama hihye no ekoyi kama pa so no etimi edi emomuti NCC no ere chopa ba ni has board no ye bomode no mo che so mo negative conduct a omodi ewram no ya hwe na aboa na hihye no akoyi kama pa so no etimi edi amamuti sa pepe ɛna esi ɛtie wura metimi ɛda mansɛm no dɔɔso bara mehwɛ na mema abidwafo no mmram kakra nsa na yakɔ na yakɔ akɔtɔ so edi nkɔma awodɔ na na aboa ama bibi akɔyie kama pɛ etimi ɛde ama na mom no top tier study abroad consult ɛna ɔpɛ so ɔkɔ koko wura mu ɛwɔ amanɔne a yɛde nhyehyɛ pa ba etimi ɛde ama wo so ɔbɛkɔ akɔtɔ addition so ɛti sɛ ɛyɛ high school we announce a bachelor's degree now, master's, postgraduate diploma, and certificate, no doctorate degree programs for USA, Canada, UK, Australia, now New Zealand, no. Any amame out on a top tier study abroad consult Roberto, Aqua Kurania, Buana, Shenaku Yepa, Etimi Ediama, in Sat, no, your boy chairman, dear Mamuchi, Ye Papa, and I feel so necessary, graduate and graduate student, no, yes, in the Nebane IELTS, no, and I feel to fall now, what nature more, Emanema did the year sweet to me, the money is so you'll be Alitana footballer. Why we are school, I'm not mammy to your funny or Moncasa, it's major scholarship, Passia, now fully mount, now so no, Utimi Eko Kuramu, Obo Modi, Isia Diano, now Sand Daltal in Nedintia Crap, Oba Madina, Roy Sek or CC Gan Plaza Bodino, also Madina Polyclinic, Ubinium 0203 592 008 592 Now Kumase or more Eben Amakum traffic, or more Amakum traffic light, no more Eben Bank of Africa 0260 411 847 0260 411 847 afi Udwani Chimo Takra dia or more Eben NK Fire Service Efian Quanta Road no or more Benfija School Park no 0598 007852 0598 007852 Niamwa Nanemanko Yen Fama Bafo Polunta de non Jibia na koko jibi African print and wa bomode e designs outdoor na e hyewa akono efe so pa na design e be 20 na say net the African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print round neck shirt, African print v-neck shirt and a boutique for no munko to be ton so no you be a konu mu aye den ho so anya kakra fafa bafo obema ne ba ni bi no aton na so wenya mfa so organizations na bi ti say company bi ze bank Friday na oze mo farm na uniform kakra conform na mo zo bank we mo ye serious timo we na mo ra mu se na ye schools no teachers association so sorry no any fan clubs no so betimi afa o ba for gold package no and esa package in 20 shirt or box mu your silver package 15 shirt or box mu bronze package 10 shirt or box mu gold package you know or Ghana bibi abefa bia obomode deliver the man kama pa na ankonam te say so no yetimi agibi e de nationwide delivery ye e ma bibi obi a onsa ka bi ti fan number no 0249 600789 0249 600789 0599 899 0599 899 open a ayema kokko bin de wani achimo santas yo boaso kwan so no owa obo ejuma gidigidi pa ma menko na mini bishop room 11:30 be say di nkumo bi na makwaba bishop your room kakra
me da CP ene no den kan sem bebre o wa hearts especially with Sebastian Barnes.
Yeah.
Barnes you'll be I'm in constant touch with him.
Oh, okay.
I am your damful. Omo mutumi for no back no. Na many Jesus Sebastian Barnes enya sa appointment we. Na mum ensesa ya o de beba no so de ba omo nsom.
Andi ehia pa.
Mama nkofa ne mba megu nanim asensa mpam no. Barnes German trained. Discipline wo ho. Or result oriented. Na djuma o ye ne so tete nkra. Wabobo na captain in national under 17 Sebastian Barnes.
Yes.
Onimbo nebo. Or a Hearts former player. Ofri Hearts na ku etu kwan. Ntino yebebo Hearts abaso for that appointment. Hidink Barnes. Ni nyina internship who is going to be the substantive head coach. Hearts project ni e dien. Sene be ayembo kwan to ma supporters nka say ye pese by force ye shekoto continue empamom. Hearts afa former national player, former referee, former national coach, so me coach your team Oaks FC. This is a bold structural appointment by Hearts. Talk be after the board no. Obia nya na femu de mbo no de omo ye nenyi. Enye short term. Hearts na gijache. Barnes ban Hearts na no nim no. Enye no na obi hunu. Barnes won kan no nkra no nim ball ni bo nyina no na Hearts no mpeso mo bo. Enye Hearts kotoko. Ene oba obehun se nkra no bi peso mo call Euro Africa. Any other teams because one person too quiet. It's your best say the appointment is very good, but the people who are coming to do the work, we see who near Casa Sume Senior Bentioma Bay, yet the new Guaquem that there is a structure, Obien in the Juma, clearly defined roles, Obia Bay in the Juma, Senebaya Basabasana, ye, Yashasiana League near Nadian into Yempamu Munina. usi dan no eduru lentil na waye me de me pɛ no adwiragu no asan be hye ase na me de bia de eduru ba bia no adwiragu ye mosoda ntini ya point on sa no everybody involved should do something to ensure, especially those at the top, board members and at the owner Togbi after they will be making sure so there is a clear structure that would insulate these people from short-term goals or more key performance indicators KPIs na then.
Yes.
After 1 year then I'm muhu. After 2 years then I'm muhu. After 3 years then I'm muhu. My me go be in massive. But for Sebastian Barnes, I am very, very happy for him, and he is very competent for this role. And you bredi kan kofa Ghana ni ana obi o wa brochire ana ya tini wa brochire na beni yes sir mamu megu bi ani mase ye pamu chopi na no ene ye kosi sen special enche kra na minister e kasa minister di betu dwa say oh obishan centrofo ne ebisa dia sika akono eni milovan rare ba jo musika sem no e hon sem say netie
still Milovan, all of CK Akono and Milovan, once their contract was terminated, we sat with them, negotiated their exit, and CK was paid $100,000 immediately after the negotiation, just as Milovan as well. We still owe both of them, and we are in the process. We have payment schedule, of which I will admit we have not been followed the payment schedule because of constraints of funds. But as and when we get funds, we'll be paying the two coaches. Both of them have written to the FA threatening to go to court. We have appealed to them that we are committed in making sure that we settle whatever that we have agreed with them. We have not paid, we still owe
Yo, Minister, the a briefing near the amano. Sort of say, now or the abetuja, or you'll be a mijini dipa until customer, me find it serious. Nemo Football Republic, maybe briefing minister.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Exactly. What in so I'll say a trunk crataba. If you also one person with your court. Milovan, any sika kuno kroya. And yes, sir.
Yes.
Miram Pachopi. Then a sika kuno ewa kafa assembly. Ne sika kuno no a different kakra. Case 1, sika kono mama in the graphic na na ento adwuma die so na bibia ntimi konkakamo uko folder no mabe hun CK1 CK ye na adwuma CK den sama to dwa say sika ye de man no endru $100,000. And I'm worried.
Osi sika na ye de man.
I am very worried. Very. Graphic Sports. And that's the state owned newspaper. We hear TV no so metwa and that's we my journal online referencing Graphic Sports. I was never paid $100,000 after contract termination. Charles Kobla Akono, or Sisika, Nancy Minister Cassia man $100,000 no, and yes, I need the man. Graphic 2 no, Echren Semna Sika Akono, Kanumuye. Now, Honor didn't send to just say, I never received the kind of money the minister mentioned. I don't want to put out how much they paid me, but it was not $100,000 as the minister said. On a Graphic Sports and the Kasaye Sika Akono. Now, someone can say, ye pamono ye man is scanning in cities. And the catcher is unconverted Mfanko dollars. Never equivalent of $100,000. Using the Bank of Ghana rate for that day.
Oh, okay.
Now, all you know who say the rate I had the amount on the crowd was significantly lower than the market rate. And on Nanchain, it was nothing near the amount the minister mentioned.
As an man who cried.
And Hona me yem she make a cry. Now, all can in same area no. Or say, minister, mini GFA or contract. And the files who FA ho. Kona ko him contract no. Ubu kwa files be arrive at that amount. Ubi timi ha de ko FA ho. Kona ko check it. Na ko agreement na me ne omo no. Ansa na obeka BBC awaka na obehu se minister ko no kohwe ne da fa no so na obehu se figure no de to dwa ne wrong mira me yema ya hye me kakra
den
de bia asem foforo sa no e ma anigye e wo se koyem football no ho no enwi peye de bia manfo wa adwem foforo bi e fa yem football no we a Black Stars captain Ghana new Captain Black Stars as a national team coach. Or you state broadcaster and now the state-owned newspaper, Graphic Sports, to go after a minister of the republic. No, we are some chat to say Koefio, na Kohe far no so. We won't say waiting. Look, for Sika Akuno to do this, Kwaku says Sika Akuno na in CBBSUA. On Yemi minister and honorable member of parliament for Yagagwa Kuborisa.
Oh, the bishop we one gazette to your ibone.
And no nature say.
Was that done a man that $10 so cram TM shame.
And
no
no
then do bitch him.
And no chess, Milovan Rabachbia, on your Nigerian say the Obekasa. So I say, Elipa Miluni Bomudin. This could be more.
Say Milo so bad.
No, it could be. Now, no, you're Ghana into Nims a Ghana for because I have this scanning and I will come on. Look, he's quickly coming out. A day in Ecosu FA, Sanyoma we eba between the minister and the FA and the former national team coach. I am yapa. This stage is a stage we shouldn't be at. No, there be no way. No cry back up. The wedding. Words na Sika Akuno used and they are quotes attributed to him. I'm say a buoni ni omebi nti onye na dwen so obeka ni nyina. Nti me ya madwen am say so na dwen so obeka ni nyina. There could be more, but I'm so uncomfortable that a former national team coach who had access to the government Sika Akuno ye ne di no kono na Akufo-Addo. And some of catch na Akufo-Addo no. A being any about the Black Stars to the point where you just say I didn't cry being any sir. The reason why Football Republic is unable to visit the presidency these days like they used to do back on
Sika Akuno.
And some are on. I wish the Football Republic committee. The Jumayim, the challenges of face, Neoma of him, he said a lot. So Sika Akuno say we be way in public. Because kukuamu di obe kandi nyina na so obe two bedroom say ya ye nyina your problem
about the bram kakre bramanzana makodi.
I think that very important said only obi delay must know if Sika Akuno that I know as a friend, the guy named Gbegbe.
What the guy named here?
Yeah, nickname.
Okay, final ya on anything.
Yeah. Some of them in every presidents who are Gbegbe. But no one collide with into now, or your principal person who say, or no wafa atamu chrome subai German or no or pepe no credit that's him on found so ye penny like attack a minister on found or can the open the only respect is that because was still like an interior and he usika wo baby a hu hia sell be kwa kan sema wan hwe ya na bia ska ne aka no kwa hwe da
akoyeka
asem bible enya ntua ya. That is the reason why. But no or the type who does not care who you are near wo bu no beka sa not here now ne attack no sa net here because I no pay me come from or Germany this year is undertaking some courses in Germany now or see and say omuman but like attack and any gravis was the reporting the equivalent in Ghana cedis at that time no any exchange rate or Bank of Ghana renew near market fempa and sikana omu man no between 100,000 sikana man there say emu near cano dos
the account
yes and send about $100,000
wow
near cano dos and just added here. And of course, then can he answer Minister Becca because you're suspecting Saka or no office or you should cross check. So that's it. But you see, the way the bigger picture, I say, the Biameka and Honorable Minister and the law are leadership lenders. Say a mouth, so making sure say yes, briefing a mouth, but you must have a deadline for the brief to come and you cross check, go behind it. Yes, sir. Nipa more briefing and then can assemble.
Gabuni ebodi. Don't know about the card in a chip.
And very, very important. Because one go behind you, trust them so much, say source no you good or more money I'm telling you don't mess you up. And then unfortunately, Minister Juma de Sanet you have to be brief because when into me what be until more musha some provide the needed information now for such an occasion. So I call your presentation. But unfortunately, he's been misled. Now, but the question is that time almost 2 years, chief accountant of the ministry, what did he brief the minister of at that time? Because I'm expecting the minister, no coach, no kaya mama. You should also do a follow up to find out whether actually Sika say the man or the man. You can't be sitting aloof and saying that you are waiting for me the press and then come embarrass yourself. No, that's not leadership. Coach issue are dragging for a long time. Emra Basi, I didn't come over Pamucho, so I do baby. Yen can't send no fee, men fan cockot, o treat, and men fan cockot. Send a bear, you been making sure send to Tian, you be the ye. And the minister can say, and to your coach Siki Akono Kano. Yet, I know, oh, find the did you receive a report from the chief accountant? I'm making sure that Sika was here, Tiana Sana, I saw Safra Siki. So, I see a more Sika Biscana, I do someone I saying. So, we'll not get this, and as much as I agree, but he himself has displayed negligence.
As a car, I was there, a boy and Ubisa. Now, was a Bisa.
Because one hour, where a national team are buying a tia coaches car. And Tiabe are buying outstanding 1 hour buying our ministry. Say, I bet you can acquire fast a change sharing in a wall. Now, I order say, I said, my car is at a mouse. And my says and fan at us or the scanner. Now, some people scan was soon, some man.
We are mountain here.
And open say, we be here, we will make sure, say, Akumia. That is what you do.
A mountain here.
Cramo Cramicas anyway, no Sankoji. That's not 90 minutes. I know. Say a TRC scanner into why should I? What channel to this time for you are giving an information inaccurate with the facts. It's sad.
We are the way and keep Chema cry. Can they miss and
we should not even come to this level.
David. As a Milo so dear, no, there no easy.
I possible. Ebiano no ya turn away. Me see an Abana maker. Ebiano no need no soon meaning. But this is a Ghanaian coach, and this is how we treat him. We ain't treat him Brunisa. But because CK at the top or no vocal. CK or your vocal.
Ultimate kind of casa one.
Or your dinners are here. Because at time under 23 Mama so couldn't do. Also, and or free. No. Wrong for that to happen because somebody distributes. I don't coach as a vocal. Okay.
Yes.
Or you're the typical German, and then I mean, because the BS said, German principle, no Ghana, one show to me, Fenya Jumanje.
I was on my Chairman, I'm in Common men call goes we travel and tour. Capito na mene capito. Every Ramusimadu, you're quite a bape, and many be a kaya din command sana. My mama, friend for about Gabidona, Bibia called there.
Champion Abu, and we are Daruma, Animal Pie will be beer, come.
Capito.
Oh, you're great too.
Also, you have heavy role.
Oh, you're heavy. And apostle, so you're great. And a champion Tapuko. Every from Kwanamu.
I mean, the Ram Gake goes with travel. Yes, one to us, and they are more.
Yeah, say gun had there.
You're funny, Quenya them.
Well, so far, it crossed 6 countries. So far, what you might see 6 countries: UK, Canada, Austria, Poland, Denmark, and Turkey. We 6 countries are. Yeah, you must see a man, say. Quenya, why say you're the man for echo. Now, for the past 1 month, a man for a year Mojuma. Now, tear response now, Evana. Indeed, Bunoma, come. Still, ano opportunity, Ewa, Yedema, a man for Ombesum to kind. But got you say, oh, Africa and a gun had ya. Sister and why didn't. Unless it be on own person, but cannot create. Bobby faced the reality on the ground.
Oh, my
didn't. Now, also, perceive the ultimate team without family. It's so too kind. About the way 1 year suit to me say na Toronto Canada. Chairman.
I can't be how.
You see how it here. Oh, Toronto.
I'm a mere man of Pamela.
I'm not saying
to be crack or you.
I know.
Oh, Yamo.
And they said only Canada no. Ewo I dey man for Eco Canada. Na adia the Ewo Canada man ye dey man for kon say restaurant. Where opese we adwuma ewo restaurant no. Akwanya ewo ho a ye do Eco Canada. Eno the same thing process na ye fa na 20%. Okwa restaurant eno kwa akwa adwuma ewo ho. Na ye restaurant ne to nchen a factory a ye cake. Ewo so ye do kwa straightforward na kwa akwa adwuma ewo ho. I see a man for no rush din restaurant and a cake. Canada no me catch you say eno 20% of scanner you demand there from China.
Ukia 20%
of scanner ye jena.
Oh, okay.
Oba process no ne no go through. You do ko do we then you pay the remaining amount na akana.
Oh,
and
you
we
20%
of the money.
Now ya yen share.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Could do an 80%.
No, I'll be
where the muda.
Oh, Chama.
I am come pass.
Chama, pay with the no pay. And ye Canada no to free one. UK no. So ewo UK ne you be a so koyo masters, okay your doctorate. Ade opetu koye bia no. Oye school ni, onye school ni. Opetu koye adwuma bia na. UK ne open for everybody obetimi akọ UK wo. And also ba the same principle na and we work and pay.
Oh, okay.
You know, work and pay.
Work and pay.
Work and pay. UK.
Ah, boss, you ask them on 2 years anyway.
Say the system more thing. And 2 years at least, except onya feeling the money pan say the system more thing. Oko too big amount to be so being family.
Oh, honey pano.
Oh, honey pano. Okwa kunya scan. But so the need to coin the next 2 years oba at least ono so baba change family na society now we no mass widen. Akuya the amount. That is why ya no more flexible. So they make me accommodate more people. No more to coin ama no makoye. And tinu UK no. And a Poland so ewo. Poland so the same procedure no be fast Poland no. And a Turkey so ewo. Austria ewo. Denmark biscuit production of biscuit on factory and do kwa adwuma ho. Denmark no. A country dey bia me body country na nipa population na wo mu no esua but e mo de ye pa
oh Denmark de bia bishop di one dance
o de bia me de bishop emike da
di one dance
population is but e mo de e mo de and Denmark so no oba enhihye no so e ho a ye do e be ko Denmark and a Turkey de me boss a chairman to there on the Turkey there one nanti wa call so many times into betimi aka apostle betimi aka Turkey one so na beti no also e kama opportunity beautiful country.
It's better than European countries.
What you say, boss? It's better than most of the European countries now. Turkey
development.
So I make sure, and Turkey so and Austria. And to way, 6 countries. I mean, no say no. Yeah, who my serious yeah, the amount for echo. And it's open to kind. That the next 2 years, 3 years, also be fee. Now no ma. What I'm saying, any both for that. Oma mo abonte so mo bufo nya ye hia ho
and
ade chena sika shi obotoma obofu
David na e to da kra na oba na ni sika na obi do mo no ma bia na fo ho ato se from there me kai time na na isusa no
yeah
ona ma obi corner condition bo bi na choose we my ayen kwa adi so nya no kra
unika sa
na enso also say adi my
unika sa o se my
unika se mo ba wo sika na tono do bo ze mo di a o
kwa ne before be bre na ai koso o se sen me
ho kire
because sika won hu nu akra na o sere ba se cash ni hu a o cash m kitwe bia na obuafu enti ye so ye boa sama for banda sa problem na so elen e bitwa enti ye no any offer God's Way Travel Consult no ye emo
na oban hihye we ni nyina no boa me kakra
okay
say e bia ye won fie poti bia atwa to say wedding fie we ya e na qualify so ba ana send it here
18 years and above.
Oh, 18 years the possible
yes also your mind no me find say 15 16 there and 18 years and above and do 18 years e ku bia no uba ye no better say yes when 18 years e ko
oh okay
18 years o say 18 years the sebi na dwuma den eda ho a oni ne negotiation bia ba ko fo bi say minus 16 17 na oni ne bia on tissue ase by 18 years there o ti bibia ase enti oni ne delay a obetimi a delay ye enti from 18 and above any no more
na me so me condom anya bro 18 years na am wait me pese me baba me ni passport me buy no so mo be
ye ba guide o abu say dey we but the make example say
example ke na me
yeah so dey say me so be guy dey last so dey na chairman we be bia dey come o dey obi and only passport oba ye nye passport ba bet me a guide o
okay
am way but ye on ye passport oba okra passport ye processing and ye no be den ebe ye ba passport ye nye be but oba
now we passport ni ayama ni pa no
agadi ni pa
agadi na man
very good amana ide amana passport and they said ye yentu kwan na yenku pesika Africa ye hot Ghana ye hot yentu kwan on say na me yadoma 2026 FIFA World Cup no Mexico Canada USA
yes
and you person would declare wa Canada Toronto ko twan ye there bra God's Way Travel Consult ne declare wa Toronto ne ko twan ye
World Cup dey pa
World Cup nye izo USA Mexico and Canada.
This is a call for a Black Stars for Jones or there. So I'm qualify call near show with train the Club. Qualify no munko.
Your countries no Taman.
Canada, Mexico,
USA.
Yes, they qualify any their cramo masha say ye man.
Yes, I say ye ho juma. Na ko train Black Star for no ho.
on fie be 2023
say 2023 3 years 2.5
years ko twon mo
o de ko twon ba
no kra be tim dia ye adwuma aboabo
na say why you
betimi kra
and don't pay with dia na opebiem na say enete na me mo number no e bia na obi hwe me ana obi tie me na osi e wo kai mu numbers na ye di e adwuma no e 0532
07
93 65 0532 07 93 65 and 0532 02 22 17 0532 02 22 17 and 0532 07 93 65 o de woni che enkan o be hu yen e wo St John's ho and the office e wo Accra Ashanti region o de woni che Afrancho Oye Johnson a me no e kase no omo e wo officer omo e ye adwuma 24/7 e Monday to Friday and to acquire officer e Monday to Friday over weekend a ye adwuma weekend Saturday ni Sunday ye adwuma and e Monday to Friday Afrancho Oye Johnson obekọ isia na ye adwuma St John's enkan so no okwa obekọ na ye adwuma 0532 07 93 65 0532 07 93 65 0532 02 22 17 na bu me no ekase police for nurses for a ye wo adwuma ma wo still no ebi rush say ye wo adwuma no I think say anodin they say wutie me a this is a great opportunity for you onya ne ba bia kwanya we God's way travel consult and this opportunity no ebema nteso bra na oni enhwimom na yemfa wo entu kwan champion Abusco
Capito
oye great
Capito zo yavi
ba ma menchia madam fubi ma menchia o se no na ye friend sen MTN Ashanti ye friend sen tournament no Ashanti first ne ba wie adwusofo na gye ye nkrofo e chia adwusofo nyina anra ne santase and the co-finance na jet trophy no edisi na so enti adwusofo na tie me na do pe nyina no
Capito, Mate, Medase Party, and a God's Way consult, and a Bomadi Kurama, say a God's Way travel consult, Edwadi, or Mu Yebi Papa. I mean, Kuramu Kumase Babara Sports Stadium na, meaning Komo, Zanzene, Interschool competition in Gusua Kosia Ramu, or the quarter final stage, Micah Komia, and Orlando, or Makwa Kujamu Bridge Medme. Mezana, Bibiabo called there.
Bibiabo, with the
Jumadi ene timi a chance na chance ya mun komo no bo me kakra se na ezidie
mabu ma yen check you for ne mo mafa ba pamba in passport na na no place ye be pie mo baba ya around the 10:28 ya pa for 10:30 ye ba na go kenchi ni na anya chance na ka pa for yes e mu delay kakra ama so aba ka so ba so aba two teams ni na obi a try for the ball mind the level more you who so muna sorry or more woman and muna or woman so make I'm a first quarter final game no actually abaso na at the one way see any so when you warm up in the way no what be not tunnel cars for players or mudom bobo na you be not tunnel no one up na bench on to say the mono bench players and substitute our more change it's a more tunnel in the na man so na and you who so one up na bench on around the sorry a free bench on the so Apakura Park. Also, Montia match one of France and top of the view or the starting gave me the attention. Abu Biatina was rolling Diama, Biati went a bomber, give you a Swaboma, and never all by us for
the game na chance here. Ana ya bon first match na we.
Game na chance ya ba fini about 5 minutes. Almost at fini about 5 minutes. Amasi Shebi. The only big chance they one back pass for my Martin Cody around you about that and no offside. Would like a clear with Napabono and to me.
That is a the old kind of jazz. I quarter final and said, "See a chassis, you know, Jana Sompa."
Abu Pressure, what Baba has posted in Martin, one planet born in the first 5 to 10 minutes. Abu, and young Crabo near Henny Hammer, and yes, the high school board near Henny Hammer. level no so pa
Now, after we no game ben San Twazo.
so nyame adom no mo bo mo de no mo tiwia ye benya say Sakafia new lag there o mo no be di fa twa to kwa ba ye benya okay ene mankanso fo no so mo so betimi ahia na o matimi aboto mo wie no beto aso na afi ye di Sakafia new lag there so aso on Islamic senior high eso de if you read ama cast na near person Islamic the real sin Islamic na near okay mankanso the real okay mankanso na near the Sakafia and you lack a capital
Mate meza kosoa na hwe na monitor me minimze e ba shoot out no so a ye be ba na ba bidin koma odo na why
party abudiazi
etia no e Michael Akomia Jemfina na Jemfino no na e call ne kokodin komo Vodafone damu promo on found shemu star 110 hash obomode to credit 5 Ghana cedi if you wallet no so e de ekwa animu amepacho so eska no yere mu 20% samba eba beto wallet no so iska betima yidi akwa kodidi di opeso de bia obetimi ayetime pacho this time to credit na to for if you wallet no so star 110 hash from 5 Ghana cedi de cobon se pa unya credit na 20% no so no edamu to bi mu adamfo a no so nya ya pa abonze na 20% dan wallet when ochi amze yanka se Samsung Ghana omo ne omo aka dia boma eredamu promo nyom no bo modin didi asante tan fidi no so a ze Twitter TikTok Instagram Facebook obo modin de to a na wa hashtag Vodafone Ghana omba eba be no wasa ne gama Samsung for betimi ama mobile phone ebua year pause e be run na abo ma ne ma dadi so ma Betway www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh when you do feed watch ya fa wo hwemu na ne eni twato ni ranze scratch and win promo no yezi abo modin abosumi as a nature to yi ye the 10 million Ghana cedi na aba eba be chede amo bibia wo ye customer onye customer o de Google Play Store na koko download your app na ramu na koko chewajo kwa baby wa atwe omo click so eba wa ko promotion kwa ko scratch and win games no your Nana Sky ya wa vieta abon 10 times obonza yi bibi aba Oscar chiso ade won bia yo de ebitimi nya ska ebitimi nya fuel voucher bi so no ebo modenya electronics outdoor na ni nyina no eye Betway omo hihye pa omo de ram de yanz when you do feed watch terms and conditions ya de ya apply no omo djuma de omo di mo Betway na ne ma de dadi so etimi era ma boss to minim quick one has for technical to bibi kan ho na
me impressed first of all with Sebastian Boban, school say very close to 100 meters away from me, only Danelado or Tema.
Oh, okay.
Wasn't me a Tema boy.
Yes.
So, yeah. And very intelligent, or a midfielder can play as a right back, a right winger. And as I said, 1991, he was part of the 17,
yes.
93. He captained 93. Very experienced at this level from, because our boss of forces at that time before. Oko Wakab. Oko Kabiniano has a vote. And then Wako Leverkusen, I call mine so far. So 1 year he was their youth team coaching. 1 year a lot of experience at the an experienced person at the youth level. Wabo and I was football at the top level. And then was at the coach youth level. So if football be a scouter, I don't think there is anybody better than him. And as you speak now, or Tias Vograsi or Nimnias Epe, he is a product of House of Folk. Tamas babies, boys, now mobile House of Folk news, put out of them and on him. And on him, what is expected of him? But or a tough guy. No, Sebi, or is that lie mutapino? We are no nonsense. Debbie on Trimo. And he now Messi Tegosu. That's for me, that's spot on appointment. Appointment on my I don't know what's super.
We know.
Yeah, because the experience at the women game level to Black Queens.
I know it.
About
the Matilda, yeah, bye. Be doing come over. Why?
Mema Premier League, you know, my team's win an appointment also. Yes, Martin Wimby.
Mate, Orevia Bebaso 0554931931 0554931931 05489319 Udiani baby Alfrefi. Yes, sir. Hello.
So where dear?
Me wo ya pa na zo e.
Aduna Lutaki Sila Onyama.
Okay, ho ya ncho be ba why?
Ye be na mi afi. Na Abu wa say Real Madrid ye nya physical 9 pa, ye nya striker. Ye nya striker. Na no ball na mi hwe ye wo striker wo ho a ye che basa be 6 goals. Na se fi aso ye sere ye penny for ni say. Ye ball no munye ni yi. Se fi Ghana players ni nyina tu kwan. the house, the corporate, and we also need to go back. Yeah, on that of my mouth.
Mate, Medase Pa, Odiani baby Alfrefi.
But I feel as was Yabu. Mama, you my pa moye. Your family Richard. Abu. The Viana BBQ, my dynamics may be sat. Afternoon program, I am on television.
About your Dabi, radio on Facebook. Why?
I read you very good. Now there's not possible, you know. I'm say this the car. Mamma, I saw Momo can the trouble communicate. Many other stations in India. The house in some quan or more can I cut on some quan or mobile. In the other day, I assume some consular my Panagana, football, and fun to my brother. Yamen come on, I'm
Matil Zoni Yamen Tau, Diana baby Alfrefi. Hello. Hello. Yes, I'm on so Kakrama, Dini baby Alfrefi.
If I'm not saying, I can hear this.
I'll team with you.
Hello.
I'll team meet you, or team.
Oh,
I'll team you ready. About your Diana baby Alfrefi. Hello.
Ghana Hanma, I say. Hello.
Yeah, Jaisa Uti on lower TV no on that team or why?
Hello.
Yeah, lower TV no that team or
Aha. Number say, yeah, on the Ghana, the entire, yeah, your coach is any your referee for no, why you fat, yeah, you know, your players, no, and it's your side. Because the entire because I had to say, referee for no, the match here. I didn't quite say, I saw my teachers out, which players among yeah. But we say, your foul, we are, and yet, by who has said, one side, one way, open at Messica. The Bobo was a bois will own fee, no watching any, was there. Ghana Premier, you have a match, you know, what qualified to be a house, I qualify, qualify, no, Saudi, I will be an echo match your own corner. You have a show, baby, go out.
Mate, Medase Pa, Diana baby Alfrefi.
the ladies, the phone on my
About your meet you.
And I'm in them are kind of journaling and move of boss. I'm not because of the other folk quality. I'm going to get to the summer. That is why I like things I also pass if it's a more kind of theater. Don't be because Ghana players, a bit more kind of airport in Ghana. I'm almost on me.
Also, a more yeah,
I produce money from so we are trying to be airport.
Could you linking it to Chelsea near the Tinkomodi DNA cost why? Okay, Medicine also dear. Would you any baby Alfrefi? Yes, Moja Kazavin. About your meteor, yes, Moja.
You Abu, maybe I only at the book that not Madame and Miss Weber, football, no problem. Me, it's in a Ghana football team. That's just no, the football, I need to go at the football, and as I know, you know, Obaku will return to Tanzania. Tanzania, a ball. And the next
Matthias Moja Medasi, Udiani baby Alfrefi.
Hello,
yes, Yame, Meton can't meet you.
That man, I say, I'm wanting you home some cry.
Raise the other one, Yaba.
Oh, they said, yeah, and I got a consider and I come from asking him for the course or a mission in Soraka.
It's your Yame.
I would have been got away and I asked my information. I don't want to talk prayers. Yeah, about Google.
Oh, Yame on Beba. Why?
On Baba.
Ombe omudin komo kokwa bibia be kama why omudin komo kokwa bibia be kama why
yo mate medasi
mate mezo medasi nyame odiani baby Alfrefi.
Yes sir.
Robert
boss
hey Eddie mena ode yenko
I have one thing order there open for me over to menka
Robert.
Let me tell you about that to ne anabu je se fia mi. Mr. Abu. Also your brothers are class of okay, ya me adum. If you adum ko adum, je bon president. Me has for coach ne amade ne bane de. You playing an October for there. Coach by there. Coach body to on your because then go to body o coach na be se there. Of coach body mle. Then coach body some man ko to coach no watch for me. Na isa na o fa na de coach ba. Park no ho be di coach body na e supporters no. Ye pa no me da say.
Mante men so me da say men fa we twa to. Odian ne baby afrefi.
Let set as a who is the only soccer narrative in Abbasi Bukanangase.
I don't meet you.
But I say, as of when you coach, Kotokomo, we walk up for coach, one for coach, Yaro, one for matches, one for Linda, the whole year, one for Kabaka, Kotokoso, Yavasho, you don't believe the way the 15. Don't go more, oh, Yara. That's it.
Mate me da si we twa to. Ona twa to okrakra odin baby afrefi.
Abu, I need the plans me dey ani be God, me dey we chow papa pefi Abu.
Any afa mi.
Mamen kia we bonus na. O se ha sin ko ye wo tete. E na kra o se no ho fa no. Me nyi se wa flare radio so na no pay. Oyibo ho beto na Abu. De e ha koto support. Ye nyina ne say yen ka ye ho mom. Na de ye wura pe yi ni bia ne yen tai ye chi. Na wonye kotokoni ye mfama ye na ye nyan se de obeba beje kotokoni bia na ye jai kotokona to na ye sun se nipa na okenye sa nka buhade o obi a ye si blog dan nipa ba ko se wo no di obesi container de ama kotoko disabu container ye be se kotoko supporters ya na ye di ye ho abro nti ye nka ye ho moyibo ye kan se Abu woni nyame nyadwuma bi
Mate ye rama premier ko ye be se about 3 to 4 shootout on also 12 per news no ebe to asere amamo